A lot different than the Phantom. A lot different than in a Tool. But the Mavic 2 versus the Mavic 3, how much different are they? You know, you have the 3, which a lot of money, and then you have the 2, which everybody is kind of selling right now to buy the 3. So these are becoming cheaper. You know, a week of having it. Number one, the gimbal thing, the lock for the Mavic 2 Pro, way better than the 3. This one still rattles, and I noticed today while on a hike that you'll get marks right under. I'll put this cloth in there to hopefully stop it, right? Maybe it will. I don't think so. So you may not be able to see it, but right on the gimbal, this gimbal smacks up against these arms. So on both sides you get gray marks and black marks on here. I can only imagine what that does to the gimbal after a long time. Probably not good. Not very happy about that. Other than that, got some cool features. Slow-mo. That definitely wasn't in the last one, right? That's cool. We'll put some slow-mo video in this video. That's probably the coolest feature I've found so far. Other than that, the controller, I mean, I'm new to the smart controller. Some of y'all aren't. I think it's kind of dope. I think it lacks a lot of cool things. Like, I can't install anything else other than what comes on it, unless it's like a whole operation to install it. I like that this holds the wings in. That was cool that y'all did that. I don't know. You know, it's tough to say. This came out without half the features, so half the stuff's not in it, which is kind of weak, you know. This has a whole bunch of features in a totally different app, which I like the app a lot more than the DJI Go Fly. I think they should make the Go 4 more updated, but that's not up to me. Battery life is dope. The battery life is dope. Well, I mean, that's all I've got so far. We'll let the picture quality speak for itself. Check it on out.